The problem that Fate and DiLima solved for me was helping me get a custody and child support arrangement agreement in order. My ex and I were not able to amicably agree on custody and a child support number that we had kind of originally worked out between ourselves, but as our situations changed, we needed to change that agreement with it. My concern and fear before hiring Fait and DiLima and any lawyer is that bringing a lawyer into any kind of legal situation can sometimes cause more tension between the two parties, especially if one party is not represented. I was worried that it was going to make things more difficult. However, I would say that it was the right decision to bring on Marjorie DiLima. She really helped me in the case, and I feel like it turned out much better than it would have had I gone in there without any representation. One thing that stands out to me with my experience with Fait and DiLima Law is their accessibility and their communication. Because sometimes you have a lawyer that you just can't reach, or you wait a couple days for an email, but if that's not the case with them. They're always very responsive, and even if it's not Marjorie herself, her assistant or somebody in the office will get back to me with something that I need, and I really appreciate that. That type of customer service is really top-notch. My life is better now than before my experience working with Fait and DiLima because I no longer have the stress of worrying about a child support and custody agreement case. The situation was, stressful, dealing with my ex on a one-to-one basis as opposed to having something set in stone concrete. And so since working with them, we were able to get the case put in, we were able to get the child support put in, and I no longer have to worry about that. And if there is complications, I just have to reach out to Ms. DiLima and she takes care of it, and everything just gets, put back into place. So not having to deal with that stress anymore has been great and changed my whole view of the situation. I would recommend Fait and DiLima Law because they are a great customer service small business. They really value their clients, and it's really nice to work with someone who values you as much as you value working with them.